Hi, Penny Sylvain here with some free home decorating tips. In the spirit of staying home and staying positive and using what you have, I'm going to show you how to make flowers for your flower boxes or flower pots if you don't have real flowers. So I'm using pine cones. And what you'll need are pine cones, paint brushes, of course, and also a drill and also some skewers like this. So first you paint your pine cone. It really doesn't matter if you paint from the top down or the bottom up. I started at the bottom because generally that's how life works. So you want to paint the bottom green, and to save time I already did 2 steps here. So you paint the bottom leaves green, and then whatever color you want next, maybe I chose purple or lavender. Then the next step after that dries, let me back up for a second, because what you should do is first collect pine cones if you don't already have them around, and you want to wash them with soapy water and let them dry. This is not only for times of pandemic, but also because you want to get rid of any little bugs or dirt that might be in there. So after they're dry, okay, so then you do the painting. Then you let the coats dry. Then the next step, I painted a contrasting color for the next step. So I painted a lighter color, pink. So you have layers that way. And then the final step, you paint another color for the center. I chose yellow. And I made a few little highlights around. Now it doesn't matter if some of the paint drips onto the next level a little bit, and it also doesn't matter, you don't have to get every brown spot off. It actually looks more natural if you leave a lot of brown. Then the final step is to take your drill, and I used a very thin bit. This is 1/16 of an inch bit. And you take your pine cone, your painted pine cone, and you just drill into the bottom. Don't have to go very far. Then you take your skewer and you just insert it into the hole. And you might very well have to break not the pine cone, but the skewer, because it might be too long. So I break it. Now this pine cone was tricky. I can't see where the hole is, but it's there somewhere. And you have a cute little lollipop type tree. And I will show you the end result when you've done a whole bunch of them. Now I have about a 2-foot window box here, and it's about 2 feet by 8 inches. So I used about 15 pine cones, and we can come right in there and get right in there and take a look at the final result. So then you just take some nice looking fake leaves and arrange them, and it looks beautiful. Now you also can do this if you don't have all the accoutrements, like you don't have a drill and you don't have skewers. You can even just paint the pine cones in pretty colors and arrange them in a basket. And that's it. So everybody stay safe. Thanks for watching.